on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we're over here at Watts Audio and Cycle, and I'm getting ready to show you guys what we got in store for today's video. I'm going to show you guys inside the shop, and I'm going to show you guys a little bit about what they do here. But the reason I'm here is because I ordered my new lightweight wheels through them. They're an RC components dealer, and he definitely hooked me up on those, so I ended up ordering them up through Watts. And yeah, let's get inside. I'll show you guys around, and I'll show you guys the new wheels. I've been waiting like 8 weeks for these things to come in, guys, so I'm super stoked. Let's go inside. Alright guys, and here we have the brand new RC Component Laguna lightweight wheels. I can't wait to unbox these things and see what they look like. Let's go ahead and unbox them now. Alright guys, so I'm going to give you guys a little walk around the shop here. This is where they do all the audio, cam jobs, performance jobs. We got a nice shop here. Check this bike out, guys. I just had a bunch of stuff powder coated purple. They do a lot of custom bike building here, guys. Check out the front wheel. They mostly specialize in audio, but if you guys need any performance mods done to the bike as well, they'll take care of you. Getting some audio on these two guys here. And then what they have over here is a laser engraver. And what I'm about to show you guys is we're about to take a derby cover and engrave my YouTube channel logo in the side so we can have a custom derby cover on the Road Glide. So check out this Matco toolbox, guys. Freaking sick. But anyway, yeah, I'm going to show you guys. We're going to take this derby cover right here, a plain black derby cover, and we're going to etch my YouTube channel logo right in that. So stay tuned. Check this out, guys. I am stoked on how this derby cover turned out. Alright guys, check out these timing covers that they just were playing around with. So these are for twin cam timing covers, and these are for M8s. Check that out, guys. Super sick. If you guys need any laser engraving done, make sure you guys hit them up. Watts Audio Cycle here in Farmington, Michigan. They'll get you right. Alright guys, the moment you've all been waiting for. What kind of wheels did I buy for the Road Glide? And here they are. These are RC Component Laguna lightweight billet aluminum wheels. Let me talk to you guys a little bit about these wheels. So as you guys know, I ordered RC Component wheels, 21-inch front, 17-inch rear. I went with Shinko tires because I wanted to run a Shinko hookup tire for the rear in a 200 profile, because let's face it, I'm making big power with the Road Glide now, and I need to put all that power to the ground The only way to put that power to the ground is to get it on a Shinko. I know those aren't the best tires out there, but unfortunately when you're making this much power, you got to apply it to the ground, and this is one of the best tires to make that much power work. So that's why I went with Shinko tires. I did go with the matching front as well. 21 inch in the front, 17 inch in the rear, and as you can see, they look killer, guys. Definitely stoked on how the wheels came out. What do you guys think? Comment down below, let me know your thoughts. Also, I know some of you guys might have noticed when I pulled them out of the boxes at the shop, they were a lighter gold, and I'm just going to be honest with you guys on what happened there. So I got the wheels home, I got them next to my bike with all the other gold components that you guys know I put on here. Lower rockers, the bolt kit, the Olins, and all the gold over here, right? So I got them next to all the gold pieces, and I realized that they are not anywhere near the same shade of gold as all my other parts that I just spent all that time and money powder coating. So what I did was I reached out to RC Components. They were super cool. What they did was they let me return the gold wheels, and they sent me a set of raw billet aluminum wheels, which are these guys here. And then when I received the raw billet wheels, I sent them out to my powder coater, and he powder coated them the same color as all my other parts that he did for me, the lower rocker box covers and all that. So that's why the wheels look a little bit darker now than they did earlier in the video when I was at Sean's shop at Watts Audio and Cycle. So that's just the honest truth on what happened. I definitely recommend them. They have great customer service. Their wheels are top notch, very nice, billet aluminum. I mean, these wheels are sick, guys. And I'm gonna run them with billet hubs for now. I might powder coat those black in the future, but for right now, I wanted to run the billet hubs just to kind of give it some contrast. The gold shines more off the polished aluminum hubs, and I just think it looks kind of cool for now. But those might be going black after Daytona. I'm not sure. I'm gonna put them on the bike, see how I like them with my rotors and sprocket on there, and then go from there. But yeah, here they are, guys. RC Component Laguna lightweight wheels for my 2019 Road Glide. Getting ready to take the old wheels off right now, bolt these up. I gotta put the rotors on and the sprocket, and bolt these up to the bike, and then we'll be rolling, guys. We'll be ready for Daytona. These came in just in time. I was gonna be super bummed if they didn't get done in time for Daytona, but they're here, they made it, and we got a few days left before we leave, so I'm gonna go ahead and get these mounted up on the Road Glide, and I'll pick the camera back up once I do and show you guys what they look like on the bike. Alright guys, so we're gonna weigh the stock wheel with a tire on it with the rotors off and see how much it weighs. 29.4 pounds. For the stock wheel, these are the stock Talon wheels, and I got a Metzler Cruise Tech front tire on there. This is the front wheel, so we're gonna go ahead and weigh the new RC Component Laguna wheel in a 21 and see how much that weighs. Alright guys, so let's go ahead and weigh the RC Component wheel. And as you can see, they're not that much lighter at 27.4 pounds. But it's because I went up to a 21 inch front. This is a 19 inch front, so the 21 inch obviously weighs a little bit more. The 19 inch Laguna wheels that they offer are definitely a little bit lighter. This had to be custom made because they don't offer a 21 inch in the Laguna. I didn't really buy these wheels to save weight. I bought them because I like the way they look, and obviously a couple pounds here and there definitely helps, but I'm not that worried about it. So the front wheel is only 2 pounds lighter than the stock front wheel. Alright guys, so we're gonna go ahead and weigh the stock rear wheel now. As you can see, it comes in at 36.6 pounds for the stock Talon wheel. Now we're gonna weigh the new RC Component Laguna wheel with a Shinko tire on it. And it's heavier. Hold on. As you can see, the new wheel is 2 pounds heavier. And I'm assuming it's because of the Shinko tire we got on the back of there. It's a 200 profile versus the Metzler Cruise Tech being a 180. This is an 18 inch wheel, and the new wheel we're putting on is a 17 inch wheel. Alright guys, there you have it. The new RC Component Laguna wheels installed on the Road Glide. What do you guys think? Comment down below, let me know your thoughts. I'm stoked on how the bike turned out. I love the way the wheels look on the bike. Check these wheels out, guys. They look so freaking good. In the rear, looks killer with the Trask chain conversion kit I just put on. If you guys have not seen that video, make sure you go back and watch that video. Just put the new Brock's lightweight billet swing arm on there with the Trask chain conversion kit. But yeah, these wheels turned out killer, guys. The gold is literally Olin's gold. Huge shout out once again to my powder coater. I'll put his info up here on the screen. He did an absolutely amazing job on these wheels. I'm super stoked on how it turned out. I got the Arlen Ness gold mirrors on there as well. I added that as well. I will be leaving for bike week early. I gotta go down to Florida and test and get the bike retuned because I put a new pipe on it. So yeah, I will be down there early. And the days I'll be in Daytona will be from March 1st through March 8th. So if you guys are going to be in Daytona during those dates for bike week, make sure you guys hit me up on Instagram at DOOWORK Motorsports, all one word. I put it up here on the screen for you guys. And if you guys see me down on Main Street, or you see me at the dealer, or you see me at the Speedway, make sure you guys come up, say hi. I'll give you guys a sticker, and I'd like to meet you guys. So make sure you guys stay tuned to the channel. There's a lot of content coming. I'm going to try to do a daily vlog for you guys down there, like I did last year, day 1 through day 8, the days I'll be down there for bike week. I'm going to try to make it interesting, bring you guys some epic content from Daytona Bike Week to the channel. However, I will say this, if you guys are in the market for lightweight wheels, as you guys can see in the video, these wheels were not that much lighter than the factory wheels. Basically, they're the same weight if you minus the front from the back. Like, I really didn't save any weight going to these wheels, but I did not buy these wheels just for the weight savings. I bought the wheels because I wanted gold wheels on the bike, and I love the way the RC Component Laguna wheel looks. So that's the main reason why I bought the RC Component wheels. Now I know there's other options out there like BST carbons and things like that, but the carbon fiber wheels are sweet. I'm not gonna knock them. They are very expensive, and along with them being expensive, you only get 2 designs to choose from, and honestly, I'm not a fan of either design that BST offers. So I haven't seen many people with these RC Component Laguna wheels, so I wanted to be a little bit different. Everybody's putting carbon wheels on their bike right now, and don't get me wrong, the carbon wheels are badass, they're sweet, they're lightweight, they look good, but I figured that I'd add a little bit of spice to the bike and throw some gold wheels on there with all the other gold components, and I'm definitely stoked on how the bike turned out. So without further ado, that's gonna do it for today's video, guys. If you like the video, make sure you hit that thumbs up button. If you're new to the channel, make sure you smash that subscribe button. I greatly appreciate all your support on the channel. We just hit 50,000 subscribers, guys, and I'm super stoked on that. That's a huge milestone for me. I've only been doing this YouTube stuff for a few years now, and to hit 50,000 subscribers is definitely pretty cool. I really want that 100,000 subscriber YouTube plaque that they send out when you hit 100,000 subscribers. So really looking forward to that. That's my next goal on the channel. But yeah, anyway guys, thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.